For the past fortnight, around 800 contractual teachers of the state who had failed in the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test or MTET have been agitating against the government's apathy to their demand of reinstating them to their previous teaching positions. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy had recently reiterated the fact that the agitating teachers will not be called for talks as the state government will not turn back on its policy.
See, there is no question of inviting for talk because the process has already complete. And as is said time and again, it is the policy of the government, and the government will not turn back on its policy.
While reacting to the state government's decision to not invite the agitating teachers for talks, one of them said that the teachers under the banner of the Meghalaya Government LP Schools Contractual Teachers Association held a general meeting where they had decided to meet the Meghalaya Governor, the Chief Minister and Education Minister of the state to discuss on their demands. At the same time, the teacher alleged that while the government has the power to set things right, yet it does not have any kind of plan to engage and accommodate the contractual teachers in other positions in educational institutions across the state.
Meghalaya Government Lower Contractual Teacher Association takabang ipanpa ka susi alor ka jing koman kani ka sarkar maka jingle menti alo bangi la asdang ka education nadu inyo trek hadu menta ka klampat respon de nakaliang ka jongi ngila sim da kani ka senjamba nan menen khandriu trek ba ni syong da ka rotation bangi deban buteng ngiai kum ki district wise de menta la dap nakaliang ka is ka sehel bat naga west jentia hill kumta menta menen ka singi la simti ni kumki na po eastern west mairang kumta kani ke jing yakhi ke jongi banginang buteng bai hadu banginda daplut chwa menen ka singi nila yalong ka general meeting ka ba hang tai po mokar nilarai bangin sara manlejbu ya ka representation hau chief minister bat kunjuru ngin ai ko bilang hakiwi kumah gubernur kata kada ka senjam ka bangin sa ayu nang ni sa khamat hadu banda dep chwa ya kani ka jingpan be namta kani ka judicial ki program bakin yai ki district wise marba na garur ki padap dangbon ki district ki mo padap kumta hadu banda dep chwa ngin sa perkhapat ka senjam ka ba nakaliang ka jongi ngin sa sim mar hadu menta ba ka sarkar kadang le menti ka ne koman kumne nado bangilas nang ne na po piang nong ba along khadway sngi hadu menta nakaliang sarkar ka klampat respon te nginang yai butang biang hoy nakaliang ka jingi ngilong tang kibaret na kibaritam te ka bor lai ka syong ha ka sarkar kala ban le iki ke ba lada kamon na bentau pai ba yo pai ba hi tambahan re ka dei jingle jong ki yo le se ka don ka ka plan halender ngingi num tip ya kata tangba ngingi bu kani ba kani ka jingi ki jongi menta ka murlong nginang ya nginang le rotation sa te hadien kata onda la develop baru koi tingin sa sim da ka wepat ka nu ka senjam ka bangingin haban sim nginda yo man ya syong ya pan bait lang kata ka hoi nakaliang education minister lo ong ba ka jingkhang kala khang te henry na benta upaj ba ka sarkar ka demokrasi ngatharai umdon bor tang mo marway kata ka dega bor hi ka syong hak ipaj ba te kumjuru nakaliang ka sarkar hi kum kiwe pat ki kinong yalam kinong sensyar ki ban perfect lem na benta ka jing ka jungi ka bangingi dawa kani na mar bangingi de kinong kai kontrak ajing sisa ngingi de kinong kai kiba ila thung hi da ka sarkar hi amde bakat thung da ka managing committee kata ka di gowe kume kiwe ki department kum ki SSA la ni ad hoc hacha ki thung na benta ki thung na benta ka MC reyangi la thung direct be na po ka department na du ki SDSU kata ka di ka ba ngi tengi hapan dawa ya kani ya ka bangi hapan panpau ya ka jingle we kani kentat ya ka kam na benta ka jingi yang jaga jingi